Hi guys, welcome back to Circle Saturday. In today's class, we are going to learn how to draft a basic skirt. And then from here, you can adjust it to whatever you want. This is going to be a pencil skirt. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Enjoy. The brown paper that we normally use, the measurements that you're going to need, the waist, the hips, and the length. So from here, which is going to act as the waist, from here to the hips, it's 8 inches. As you remember from the bodice tutorial that we did earlier on, you can check it out on the page. We say that these are standard measurements, but they change according to the size of the person. So from here, the waist to the hips, it's 8 inches. You're going to mark 8 inches. And then we are going to mark the length of the skirt. So I am making a mid-length skirt, and the length is going to be 23 inches. If you're making a mini skirt, it is going to go about 15 inches, depending on the length of your client. This one I'm making it's a mid-length skirt, so it's 23 inches. If you're making a maxi, it can go all the way to around 36. So now we are going to input the vertical measurements. For the waist is 32 divided by 4, because this is on fold. Divided by 4 is 8. 8, but we are going to have a dart. So we are going to add 1 inch for the dart. The hips is 44. So divided by 4, it's going to be 11. Then down here, we are making a pencil skirt. So what you are going to do, we're going to take the measurement of your of your hips, which is 11. We're going to minus 2. Then you're going to mark here 9 inches. Then you're going to join all these points. Now here at the waist, we are going to mark the dart. If you have watched the video on how to draft a bodice, you're going to know where we got the 4.5. If you've not, go back and watch that video. Here it is, we have our basic pencil skirt dress. This is for the front. And this is going to be on fold. So it's going to be cut 1. So what we are going to do the next point is going to add the sewing allowance. Down here at the hem we are going to add 2 inches, 1 inch on this other side. Before we cut off this part and this part, we are going to use this pattern to cut out the back. The back is going to be exact as the front. So what we are going to do, instead of drafting another one, we are going to use this there just to cut the back. So this is the back. We've cut it from the front. This allowance is going to be the zip allowance. This is 1 inch. And then we are going to cut off this part because we don't need it. Then we are going to insert the dart. Zip allowance here, it's going to be cut 2. So 2 pieces of the back, and we are done with the back. But you're going to go back to the front. Again, to cut off this point because this is on fold. And this part too, if you remember, we put allowance down here to 2 inches. So that 2 inches, it's going to accommodate the allowance at the waist. We are going to need to shape our waist because our waist is not straight as this is. So you're going to take your tape measure and at the corner, not this side, at the center where these are the fold, you're going to go down with 1/2 inch. Then you're going to curve from here all the way to here. Then you're going to cut. This is the front. This is the back. The differences is that over here there's the zip allowance at the back. And then here at the waist, the front curves a little bit by 1/2 inch. And that is how to make a basic pencil skirt. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Until next time, stay safe.
Yeah.